Alrighty, and welcome back to episode number 4, where we are starting work on the profile page. I did all the work setting it up. Now what we're going to do is get it so that the upload new for the profile photo works, the edit profile and the save profile works as well. I did a little bit of work starting it and going into it with the database so that when we hit profile, it grabs our profile name and then the username of the profile. So actually this could just be username, and then the bio as well. And then when we hit edit profile, we'll be able to change the name and the bio. When we hit save profile, it'll save that stuff to the database. But I'm not going to have it where you can change the profile name or the username quite yet. And then also the upload new photo will be available, button will be available as well. So yeah, gonna start work on that now. Alrighty, so now if we run this real quick and we go edit profile, now you can see that we can edit this. So this should actually say that, and then we could edit this, and this is another test bio. And then we could hit save theoretically, but as you see, if we click off of here and then we go back to profile, it reloads everything and then it loads what's in the database. So the name is still wrong, and then the bio wasn't actually saved. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on it so that it actually resaves the information to the correct spot. So let's get on top of that. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got it to finally work. So if I hit edit profile, I can change this completely, so we can name him Julio. And he can say, welcome all fellow nerds. Now if I hit save profile, as you can see, I have it automatically running the get profile information, so it'll update all of these right away, even the profile name. So it'll change all of that stuff. Name is Julio, profile name is still the profile name, and then bio is welcome all fellow nerds. So we're going to edit this profile one more time, and this will just be called test account. Profile name, and then this is a bio for the test account. As you can see, it worked. So now what we're going to do is we are going to work on the uploading of a new profile image and retrieving of the profile image so that we can set it over here as well above the profile name on the menu bar. So let's get cracking. Alrighty, so I realized something that I was doing wrong quickly while I was doing this. I kind of procrastinated on doing the images and uploading new photos or profiles photos, and what I was doing wrong was when I was entering it into the database, I was converting it to a string, so it was giving me this weird error whenever I was coming back to it. But now that we have this working, so when I hit edit profile, I can upload a new picture, and then I can save it, and then it saves, as you can see. And now whenever I close this and I reopen it, so let's just try that. So I just started it again. Now if I go to the profile, you can see that it loads the actual proper image that it is supposed to be showing. So I'm incredibly happy about this. This means that the profile page is now completed. So if I go over to the trusty Trello board, which I haven't been using too much, or I haven't been using, but then I started getting back into it, I can check mark the checklist box that says profile, and the entire profile card is now completed, as you can see right here. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the settings, then we're going to do a login and sign up, and I have plans on doing a live debugger, well, live in quotation marks. What it'll do is basically you can put your code into like a drag and drop thing, like YouTube has it for drag and drop the files in for videos. Essentially I'm doing the exact same thing. You drag and drop your project files over, you can select what language you want it to debug for, and then it'll just do basic debugging as like giving you errors with when you're not using certain things, when you are using certain things too. But yeah, anyways, that is the end of this video, as we have now finally completed that profile, and now we can start working on the settings page. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddos. I guess one thing that I should quickly mention at the end of this video, I guess I'm dragging it on a little bit, but as you can see, it hasn't changed yet over here on the left side, and once we go to the profile, it does. That is only because I don't have the person logging in yet. Once the person logs in, then I'll update all of this information right away, so then we won't have to worry about that. But yeah.